Hello everyone. Today again I'm here with the next chapter for semester 1 transpiration, important topics and questions, ICSE 21-22 batch. So I'll be giving you a gist of important topics from this chapter and the sample questions as well. Before we start, I just want to tell you that this chapter has not many questions. There were not many questions in the sample paper, so we are expecting that it's a small chapter, so you'll get not that many questions from the chapter, but still we'll just talk about it. So transpiration important. What are the important topics from the chapter? So the important topics include the experiments. There are many experiments, as we all know, in the chapter. So experiments, they can be coming as your sample paper. As your diagram. They can come as your diagrammatic questions plus MCQs can be framed from this as well. Again, we have Ganong's spotometer. We cannot miss on Ganong's spotometer, so you have to do Ganong's spotometer. Factors affecting transpiration, because there were questions in the sample paper from this part also. So this is also an important topic to cover. Again, I've written it here only that there were not many questions from this part, so you can work accordingly. Chances of diagrammatic question are there, because I've already told you there will be one diagrammatic question from plant physiology. It can be from transpiration, from absorption by roots, or from photosynthesis, any of the following. So yes, you have to prepare accordingly. So we move to the questions. I'll repeat one thing again, which I have told you in my previous videos also, that if 5-mark question, that means the diagrammatic question is from this chapter, the number of other questions from this chapter will become less. Okay, so we work accordingly, or we learn or prepare accordingly. Questions. Now I've taken a few sample questions because there were not many, so मैंने इसी हिसाब से इस sample paper में बहुत कम questions लिए इसमें से. Name the following. Again, in name the following, we can have the pressure exerted by the cell content on the cell wall, the various definitions. So here, exact location of lenticels, guard cells, hydrathoids. There are many others as well. So this can also be an option. Functions, function of xylem. What is the main function of xylem? I have not taken a diagrammatic question here because again I am repeating, in the sample paper the diagrammatic question which you had was from photosynthesis. In this chapter, if I talk about the diagrammatic question, ध्यान से सुनो, अगर इस chapter में से diagrammatic question आता है, so that diagrammatic question can be from the experiments and 2 from Ganong's spotometer. That's it. Like for example, वो test tube वाला experiment है जिसमें there is a test tube and oil is put over it and there is a plant here. So ये वाला एक question होता है. Then we have a question with Ganong's spotometer is there, or ये वाला question where there is a pot and there is a plant and it's covered with a poly bag. So these questions are the options for your diagrammatic questions. Otherwise, इस chapter में से ज़्यादा कुछ diagrammatic questions I don't think. If they are opting for one diagrammatic question from all the three, so the chances from absorption by roots and photosynthesis are more. Okay, so this was it about transpiration. I hope everyone has noted down the important topics so you can work accordingly. Again, I'm repeating, notes if you have made from head to toe from the chapter, considering each and every line, you won't be able, there will be no question in the paper which you won't be able to answer. You will be able to answer everything. Fine, so we can work accordingly. In my upcoming videos, I'll be taking up the chapter photosynthesis, and plus I'll also be making further videos how to solve MCQs, what are the common mistakes which children do, what has to be avoided and what has to be done. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.